Today we move from knowing to becoming, from information to integration, because wisdom is not what you know, it is what you live. Welcome, Jaunteurs and awakening souls. Recently, we explored how curiosity ignites the intellect. Today, we go deeper into how we integrate what we learn, because wisdom does not live in the mind alone. It lives in how we embody what we know. We live in an age of access, podcasts, books, courses, endless scrolls of content. But more access does not always mean more wisdom. Without integration, information remains noise, interesting but inert. Integration is what transforms learning into living. Scientifically, this practice is called consolidation, where the brain moves knowledge from short-term awareness into long-term embodiment. Spiritually, it is called alignment, where the mind, heart, and soul agree. Let's review the 3 layers of integration. Layer 1, information to understanding. Understanding is the bridge between learning and wisdom. You understand something when you can explain it, connect it, or create with it. This is where the reflection loop becomes essential. Capture, clarify, connect, create. And 2, understanding to embodiment. Embodiment happens when knowledge shapes behavior, when what you know changes how you live. It is the moment when the idea moves from your notes to your nervous system. And 3, embodiment to transmission. When embodied, wisdom naturally becomes something we transmit through presence, through energy, through how we show up. This is how your personal intellectual wealth becomes collective contribution. There is science behind the concept of making it stick. Cognitive psychology offers clear evidence. Spaced repetition strengthens neural recall. Returning to material over intervals moves knowledge into long-term storage. Active recall, testing yourself instead of rereading, improves mastery by up to 150%. Interleaving, mixing different topics, enhances flexibility and creativity. The Akashic mirror of this is repetition is remembrance. Each return deepens the imprint. Every time you revisit wisdom, you embody it more fully in your field. From the records, integration is viewed as soul weaving. Every piece of knowledge you gather is a thread. When you integrate, you weave those threads into the tapestry of your becoming. Some threads are mental, like books, teachers, and data. Others are energetic, intuition, synchronicity, experience. True intellectual wealth is when both are woven with intention. You are not here to memorize the world. You are here to remember your place within it. Here are 3 practical integration rituals. The 135 review ritual. Each week, reflect on 1 idea that transformed your perspective, 3 insights that expanded your awareness, 5 actions that anchor what you learned. Embodied recall. After studying, move, stretch, walk, or breathe consciously. This tells the body this matters. Somatic engagement locks learning into memory networks. Teach to integrate. The fastest way to integrate knowledge is to share it. When you articulate an idea for others, you transform understanding into wisdom. I invite you to reflect on the following prompts. Allow answers to arise without judgment. Prompt 1. What am I learning right now that wants to become lived wisdom? What am I learning right now that wants to become lived wisdom? Prompt 2. Where in my life am I collecting instead of integrating? Where in my life am I collecting instead of integrating? And prompt 3. What practice could help me embody what I already know? What practice could help me embody what I already know? Intellectual wealth is not about knowing more. It is about remembering deeply. Every insight wants to live through you. Move from information to integration. Allow knowledge to settle into your bones. Allow wisdom to become your way. You can find more tools and resources to support your intellectual wealth free inside the portal. A link to create a free account and access is below in the description. And I invite you to share with me in the comments any aha moments or insights that resonated with you. Your insights could be the wisdom someone else needs on their journey. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of embodied wisdom. May what you've learned today take root in your being, transforming knowledge into living light. And may you continue to explore, experience, and expand through the wealth of your own becoming. With love and light, I am Tara.